everyone. Today we're going to solve a 7 by 7. It's kind of hard, but it's easy for me. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Today, why do we choose to chase what we'll lose? What you want isn't what you have. What you have may not be yours to keep. If I could try love and stop in it.
Oh my god, I did solve it, and thanks for watching, and it's so easy. I'm gonna make a pattern for you.
Another left turn, another head turns. Could it be someone I deserve? Another right turn, another lesson learned. Never even know when to plan. And why do we choose to chase what we'll lose? What you want isn't what you have. What you have may not be yours to keep. If I could find love and stop in a park where the belongs, I would say for my love in a jar made of fall. Still to my beating heart, could it be yours to keep? The travel.
The outline done. Now for the fill.
Could you be my love? Could I be your love? If I could find love and stop in a park where the belongs, I would say for my love in a jar made of smoke. Still to my beating heart, could it be yours to keep? If I could find love and stop in a park.
One more piece left. The gift for you. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye bye.